Hello and welcome to Challenge 13, my friends. That is correct. Hey, this is a series of 4 problems, 1, 2, 3, 4, that you should do all on your own. And now you should be watching this video just to make sure you did everything correctly. And without further ado, let us move on to this problem, 92 times 1,391. So the first thing I did was do my counting by the numbers for 9s and for 2s. And then I took the 1,391, plugged it in right up on top of my 2 area boxes right here. And then I broke the 92 into 90 plus 2. Now I'm ready to rock and roll. And I'll start here with this area box here of 2 times 1,391. And here we go, my friends. 2 times 1, well, that is exactly 2. I'm going to drop that 2 and move along. Then I've got 2 times 9. I come up here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 gives me 18. I'll drop the 8 and carry the 1. Drop that 8, carry that 1, and move along. Next, I've got 2 times 3. 1, 2, 3 gives me 6. Plus this 1 here will give me 7. Drop that 7 and move along. Next, 2 times 1. Well, that's going to give me just 2. So I'll drop that 2. And then I get to move on down here to the 90. And I love that, my friends. Super. I'll start with the 0. 0 times anything. In this case, 1,391 will give you 0. So I'm going to drop that 0 right there. And this can also be thought of as a place value holder for the 1s column, because I already took care of the 1s column with this 2 right here. Superb. Let's move on. 9 times 1. Bam, right there. It's 9. I'll drop that 9 and move along. 9 times 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 gives you 81. I'll drop the 1 and carry the 8. Drop that 1, carry that 8, and move along. 9 times 3. 1, 2, 3 gives you 27. Plus this 8 here is going to give you 35. I'm going to drop the 5 and carry the 3 and move along. Next, I've got 9 times 1. Well, that's just 9, right? 9 plus 3 is going to give you 12. So drop that 2, drop that 1, and bam, you are all done with your multiplication. All you have to do now is add these bad boys up, right? And we'll do that right now and figure out our final product. Let's do that right here. 2 plus 0, bam, that's going to give you 2. 9 and 8, 17. Drop your 7, carry your 1. 7 plus 2 is 9. And then 5 plus 2 is 7, bam. 2 plus nothing is 2, and 1 and nothing is 1. Fantastic. There you have it right there, my friends. Your answer is 127,972. Bam, bam, ba-bam, bam, bam. Hey, as always, if you made a mistake anywhere along the way, my friends, no worries at all. Pause that video, fix that mistake. That is the fastest way to learn. And now let us move on to our next problem, which happens to be problem number 2 of this video. Alrighty, my friends, and here we go with 67 times 4,804. So the first thing I did was write my 6s and my 7s for counted by the numbers. Then I took the 4,804 and plugged it in right up on top here above my 2 area boxes. I broke the 67 into 60 plus 7, and now I'm ready to rock and roll. And 7 times 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4 gives me 28. I will drop the 8 and carry that 2. Drop that 8. Carry that 2 and move along. 7 times 0 is 0. Plus 2 is going to give you 2. Drop that 2 and move along. 7 times 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 gives you 56. I'm going to drop the 6, carry the 5. Drop that 6, carry that 5, and move along. 7 times 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4 gives you 28. Plus this 5 right here will give you 33. I'm going to drop the 3 and the 3 because right now I am all done with this area box right there, my friends. Now I'm going to move on down here And I'm going to start with the 0. 0 times any number will give you 0. So let's go ahead and drop that 0. And then remember that this 0 here can be thought of as a place value holder for the ones column, because we already took care of that with the 7 right there. Now we get to move on to the 6 here. And 6 times 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4 gives you 24. Drop that 4, carry that 2. Drop that 4, carry that 2, and move along. Then I've got 6 times 0. Well, that's going to give you 0. Plus this 2 right here will give you 2. Drop that 2 and move along. 6 times 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 will give you 48. Drop that 8. Carry that 4 and move along. 6 times 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4 gives you 24. Plus this 4 here will give you 28. Drop the 8 and the 2, and now you are all done with your multiplication. All you have to do is add these bad boys up, and then you will have your final product for this problem. Let's do that right now. 8 plus 0 will give you 8. 2 plus 4 will give you 6. 6 plus 2 will give you 8. 3 plus 8 will give you 11. Drop that 1, carry that 1. And then the 3 and the 1 turn into 4. 4 plus 8 is 12. Drop the 2, carry the 1. 1 and 2 is 3. Bam! There you have it, my friends. Your answer is 321,868. Hey, as always, if you made a mistake anywhere along the way, no worries at all, my friends. Pause that video, fix that mistake. That is your fastest way to learn. And now let us move on to our third problem of this video. And here it is, my friends. 83 times 7,337. That's a lot of 3s, even over here, and a lot of 7s. That is correct. Hey, the first thing I did was do my count of other numbers for 8s and for 3s. Then I took the 7,337 and plugged it in right up on top there above my 2 area boxes. I broke the 83 into 80 plus 3. Now we're ready to rock and roll with 3 times this number right there. And here we go. 3 times 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 gives you 21. I'm going to drop the 1 and carry the 2. Drop that 1, carry that 2, and move along. 3 times 3. 1, 2, 3 gives you 9. Plus this 2 here will give you 11. Drop that 1, carry that 1, and move along. 3 times 3 will give you 1, 2, 3, 9 once again. 9 plus 1 will give you 10. Drop that 0, carry that 1, and move along. 3 times 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 gives you 21. Plus this 1 right here will give you 22. Drop that 2 and the other 2, because we are all done with this area box right here, my friends. Now we get to move on down to the 80. I'm going to start with the 0. 0 times any number, as you know, is 0, right? So I'm going to drop that 0 right there, my friends. And you can always remember that this 0 is also a place value holder for the ones column, because we already did that with the 3 right there. So let's move on to the 8 here. And 8 times 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 is going to give you 56. I'm going to drop the 6 and carry the 5. Drop that 6, carry that 5, and move along. 8 times 3, 1, 2, 3 gives you 24. Plus this 5 here will give you 29. Drop that 9, carry that 2 right up there, and move along. And here we have 8 times 3, 1, 2, 3 gives you 24. Plus this 2 here will give you 26. Drop that 6, carry that 2, and move along. And our final one, 8 times 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 is going to give you 56. Plus this 2 here will give you 58. Drop the 8, drop the 5, because we are all done with all of our multiplication. Now all we have to do is add these bad boys on up, and we will be all done, my friends. Let's do that right now. And here we've got 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. And 0 and 9 is 9. 6 and 2 is 8. 8 and 2 is 10. Drop the 0, carry the 1. And 1 plus 6 I'm jumping the gun again. 1 plus 5 is 6. I jumped right to the 6, didn't I? And right there you have it, my friends. Your answer is 608,971. And bam, bam, ba bam, bam, bam. There you have it. Hey, as always, if you made a mistake anywhere along the way, no worries at all, my friends. Pause that video, fix that mistake. That is your fastest way to learn. And now, on to our fourth and final problem of this video. Alrighty, my friends, and here we go with our fourth and final problem of this video. And it is 81 times 6,219. And the first thing I did was do my counting by the numbers for eights. I didn't even need to worry about the ones because those are simple Simon, my friends. Then I took the 6,219 and plugged it right up on top of my two area boxes right here. I broke the 81 into 80 plus 1, and now I'm going to start right here with 1. And 1 times any number, in this case 6,219, will give you 6,219 because it gives you that exact same number, right? And that's super cool. All right, let's move on down to the 80. I'll start with a 0, and 0 times any number, in this case 6,219, will give you 0. So I'm going to drop that 0 right on down there. Bam! There you have it, my friends. Now I'll move along, and I've got 8 times 9. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is going to give me 72. I'll drop my 2 and carry my 7. Drop that 2, carry that 7, and move along. Now I've got 8 times 1. Well, that's going to give you exactly 8. Plus this 7 here will give you 15. Drop that 5, carry that 1, and move along. Now I've got 8 times 2. 1, 2 gives you 16. Plus this 1 here will give you 17. Drop that 7, carry that 1, and move along. 8 times 6. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, and 6 gives you 48. Plus this 1 here will give you 49. Drop your 9 and your 4, and bam, you are all done with your multiplication, my friend. Now all I have to do is add these bad boys up, and I will have my final product of the day. Superb. Let's do that right now. 9 plus 0 is going to give you 9. 2 and 1 will give you 3. 2 and 5 will give you 7. 6 and 7 will give you 13. Drop that 3, carry that 1. 9 plus 1 is going to give you 10. Drop the 0, carry the 1. And then you've got 4 plus 1, which gives you 5. And bam, right there you have it, my friends. 503,739 is your answer. Hey, as always, if you made a mistake anywhere along the way, no worries at all. Pause that video, fix that mistake. That is your fastest way to learn. Until next time, I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see you soon. And now, on to counting by the numbers. This is a great strategy for anybody who does not have all their multiplication facts memorized. Counting by threes. Ready? Here we go. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Counting by fours. Ready? And 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Counting by sixes. Here we go. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Counting by sevens. Here we go. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. And counting by eights, here we go. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Counting by nines, here we go. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90.